Pushrod Fury. Hey, Pushrod Fury here, and today is awesome day. It's an awesome day because my buddies John and Kathy from LRC Triples up in Bridgeport sent me a box, which is down on the floor, and I don't think it's the items, it's the story, right, that make things interesting. So what is inside of this box? Well, I'm not gouging it with scissors, so that's one indication there's something in there that you could damage with scissors. Okay, the scissors are standing. What this is, it's a chance meeting of awesome people. It's referrals, it's hunting, it's finding all these things that are so impossible just by luck. And so I want to show you what we got. So this is been in the works for months after just by chance seeing the starting piece, which made it all possible. So let me just walk through. Let me open it up so you can see what the heck I'm talking about and why I'm so jazzed. If you're a Kawasaki triple fan, I think now you know why I'm so jazzed. This is a Kawasaki H1D seat with an original pan, an original seat pan. And the way this came to be, I went to visit Bob Mazzoli, and I saw the seat pan in his shop, and it was salvaged. I mean, it had been through hell and back, but he did a good job piecing it back together and getting it powder coated. And so he and I struck a deal on that. And then from there, it had to be a little further refined and turned back into a full seat. And that's where John and Kathy from LRC stepped in and finished the seat off for me. It was missing alligator teeth. It was missing some other goodies, but it's finally here. This is it. This is as close to an original seat that you can get. It's got an original seat pan. Of course, it's got an aftermarket cover, and it's got foam from Z1 parts in there. But this is it. This is the seat. You've seen the bike on the videos. It's been missing its seat, since it never came with a seat. And so this is going to be going on, and this is basically the last missing part from that build. And so we'll go ahead and get that on the bike, and we'll do a separate video from that. But this is just a quick video to let you see this gorgeous seat for a 1973 Kawasaki H1D, and to call out the fantastic people that helped make this possible, because these are totally impossible to get. You can't just order one and have it show up to your house. So thanks again, Bob. Thanks, Kathy. Thanks, John. And thanks to the group on Facebook that helped connect everybody. Couldn't have done it without so much input. So again, watch for the video where we get it installed. And thanks for tuning in. All right, hit subscribe and like too.